Democracy is always about struggle.
I was born and raised on Chicago's South Side.
I'm a geographer, and I study the relationship between race, space, gender, and cultural production and geography. This year, I invite you to join me, Dr. Rashad Shabazz, to participate in the annual Delivering Democracy Lecture, featuring civil rights activist, political contributor, author, and social entrepreneur, Van Jones. Van Jones is funny, and I think one of the things people are going to discover when they're at the lecture is that he's incredibly astute, he is engaging, he's thoughtful, he's highly intelligent. That unique combination of intellect, skill, and humor is something that I think separates Van Jones from others, and it's also going to be one of the reasons that people find this year's lecture fascinating. Democracy is about being engaged with your community members. It's about paying attention to what's happening in the world, being well-read. It's about being thoughtful, a daily engagement with the world around us. Don't miss out on this important annual lecture.